What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the main Samsung camera app and still be able to use a Bluetooth microphone or a USB microphone, and you'll also be able to control the microphone levels of those devices. You can make it softer, keep it the same, make it louder, and you will need a few things obviously to make this work. One of them, you will need a Samsung Galaxy device. Also, what you're gonna need is a 3.5mm to USB-C headphone jack adapter, because if a lot of the microphones use these 3.5mm jacks still, so you would need to plug it in there and then plug this end to the bottom of your phone. Now, there are USB-C microphones. You wouldn't need this if you get a USB-C microphone, but still, a lot of the microphones are still like this. So again, you'll need something like this in order to use a USB microphone on your Galaxy device. Lastly, if you're gonna use a Bluetooth microphone, you should be able to pick up any Bluetooth microphone and make this work when I walk you through the process. Otherwise, if you don't have a Bluetooth microphone, you can use earbuds or headphones that connect via Bluetooth, and you can do that as well. That way you don't have to go out there and spend a ton of money. And so let's jump into it. This stuff is really, really easy, and it's really cool though. Okay, so the first one we'll do is actually a USB microphone. So what you're gonna need, again, a regular microphone, plug it into your adapter, or if you have a USB-C microphone, you can just plug it right in. Plug it into the bottom of your phone. Once it's plugged in, what you wanna do is you wanna open up your camera app. So open your camera app wherever it is, your regular Samsung camera app. And then at the bottom here, you're looking for Pro Video. If you don't see it, like I don't have mine there, I just go all the way over to More, and under More, you're gonna see Pro Video. So tap Pro Video to open that up. And then at the bottom here, you should see a microphone symbol, and it should say Omni most likely. So if you see the microphone symbol, tap it. And then at the bottom here, you're gonna see a bunch of settings that you can go through. You see Omni, you see front, you see rear. What those mean, those are gonna use the microphones that are built into the phone. Omni is gonna use all your microphones, front is only gonna use the front, rear is only gonna use the rear microphones, or you see USB. So I'm gonna type USB, or hit USB, so now it's gonna use the USB microphone. You're gonna be like, great, well I can already do that without going into Pro Video. Yes, you can, I agree. But you cannot control the volumes. You can see at the bottom here, you see dB, that stands for decibels. That's going to allow you to increase or decrease the decibels. It goes all the way down to -12 or all the way up to +12. I know this microphone that I'm using runs pretty hot. And what I mean by that is it's fairly loud even when I'm using it. So if I decrease it, I'm actually probably gonna get better sound where it doesn't always clip or come near to clipping. And that's why you might want to be able to control the microphone. So I'm gonna hit talking right now. So it is, you can see it even says recording audio through the USB, blah, blah, blah. Hey, Greg, what is going on? Talk to you, 1, 2, 3. Talk to me, 1, 2, 3. And you can see it's obviously the camera's on and stuff like that. I'm gonna hit stop right here. Actually, I'm gonna hit the microphone, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna lower the microphone while I'm in the middle of this. And you're gonna see that just by decreasing that -5 decibels, it's gonna be lower. And if I need to, I could always edit the video in post if I'm, a video editor of some sort, or maybe you just bought a microphone and it runs way, way too hot. Next, we're gonna do Bluetooth. Now, like I said earlier in the video, you can use Bluetooth earphones if you want, or headphones, or even a Bluetooth microphone if there's one out there that you like. So it's really easy. So you're just gonna connect your Bluetooth headphones the way you normally do. You can see mine already connected. So I'm all good to go. I'm gonna go back into my camera app, and I'm gonna go back into Pro Video, which I'm already there, but if you weren't, I'll just say I wasn't. Just go all the way to the bottom, go to More, most likely, and go to Pro Video. Go back to Omni, and now when you go into Omni, you're gonna see Bluetooth, so tap on Bluetooth. And again, you can do that same thing where you increase, decrease, and get your job done. So just hit record. Hey everybody, this is Greg. I'm talking through the USB microphones. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the phone down for a sec. So I'm using the Bluetooth on here, and I'm fairly close to the phone, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna completely turn around, and I'm turning around, but it probably still sounds exactly the same because of the fact that, again, it's going through the Bluetooth. So this is gonna be great to go maybe 30 feet away, maybe go how many feet away. You can go pretty far away, I guess 30 feet away, 40 feet away, and still get amazing sound, or better sound than you would if you were 40 feet away with no microphone plugged into the phone at all. So there you guys go. Hopefully that video was like pretty informative. I actually got the idea randomly when I was talking to Jimmy as Promo, who's also a tech YouTuber and does a lot of Samsung videos. We were just randomly talking on the phone one day, and he mentioned going into the Samsung camera app into Pro Video and turning on Bluetooth within there to use your microphones. And I was like, I looked into it further. I was like, damn, I didn't even know that. And I'm glad I talked to him and gave me the video idea. So if you don't follow Jimmy already, make sure you do. His channel is listed in the description down below. Also, if you want to buy any of the products that I was talking about, from the headphones to the adapters to the microphones that I use, I'll link those down below as well. Thanks for watching. See you down the road.